Regarding projectiles, we can see some other special cases today. That is, with what range we have to project a projectile to get maximum height. So for that we have to use the expression for range and height, maximum height expression and range expression we have to use. From that we can find out with what range we can project the projectile. So you see that if this is a projectile projected with a velocity u, then it reaches its maximum height and comes down to the ground. So this is the maximum height. So maximum height. To get the maximum height, with what range, what distance, horizontal distance we have to project the projectile, we have to find out. So maximum height, we know that h is equals to u square sin square theta by 2z. So this is the maximum height. To find out the height formula, to get the maximum height, what is the angle of projection? So to get the maximum height, the sin square theta should be 1. If sin square theta value is 1, then u square by 2z, that is vertical distance, maximum height you can get. So for that the condition is sin square theta is equals to 1 or sin theta is equals to 1. So when sin theta is equal to 1 means sin theta is equals to sin 90. So theta is equals to 90 degrees. So theta should be 90 degrees. When theta is 90 degrees, what is the range we can get? If theta is equals to 90 degrees, we know that range formula r is equals to u square sin 2 theta by z. So if theta is 90 degrees, if you project here, so r is equals to u square sin 2 into 90 by g. So this is u square sin 180. Sin 180 value, that is r is equals to u square into 1 by g, which is nothing but r is equal to u square by g. If theta is equal to 90 degrees, what about h? H is equals to u square sin square 90. Sin square 90 value 1. So u square by 2z you can get. So if theta is equals to 90 degrees, the range is u square by z, maximum height is u square by 2z. So then what is the relation between these two? H is equals to u square by g into 1 by 2 you can write. But already u square by z we got r, that is nothing but range by 2. So h is equals to r by 2. So with this range, if you project half of the range, if you project, then you can get the maximum height for the projectile. Okay.